Hi, a very warm welcome to all. The digital era is here to stay. Technology has transformed several sectors including teaching and learning. I'm going to tell you about a new paper called Public Administration in India. Learning Objectives. The paper seeks to provide an introduction to the different dimensions of public administration in India. It seeks to acquaint the student with an analytical and critical understanding of the institution of Indian bureaucracy, with issues of decentralization, financial management, public accountability, e-governance and some specific dimensions of citizens and social welfare policies. Learning outcomes. After completion of this course, students will be able to have a clear picture of the complex institutional structure of Indian administration at present, understand the building blocks of local governance in rural and urban areas, explain the processes by which different budgeting systems work for this structure, analyzes the processes of implementation of different social welfare policies by the administrative institutions. Highly beneficial in competitive exams like UPSC and States PCS. Unit 1 Indian Administration. A. Structure of the Civil Services. Evolution. I. Colonial Legacy. 2. Civil Service in the Constitutional Framework. Appointment Training, Promotion. 3. PMO, Cabinet Secretariat. 4. Major Initiatives in Administrative Reforms. Unit 2 Decentralization and Local Self-Governance. A. Meaning and types, rural and urban. B. Pre- and implementation of public policies. Unit 3 Budget. A. Concept of budget and budget cycle in India. B. Types of budget, line budget, performance planning budget, zero-based budget. C. Budget making, role of the Finance Ministry. Unit 4 Technology and Public Administration in India. A. E-governance, the journey of e-governance in India. Models of e-governance, case study of Digital India Mission. Unit V Social welfare policies. A. Education, right to education. B. Health, National Health Mission. C. Food, right to food security. D. Employment, MNREGA. Unit Y Issues and debates in Indian administration. A. Ethics in administration, integrity versus corruption. B. Accountability, RTI, Lokpal, Citizens Charter. C. Relationship between political executive and permanent executive. D. Generalists and specialists. E. Gender sensitivity and gender participation. Bye bye, Tata.